Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying permissions and devices so the game can access your mic. Open Windows privacy settings and enable microphone access for apps. Make sure Valorant appears allowed. Next, go to Control Panel Sound, Recording tab, select your mic and click Set Default. This ensures the OS routes audio correctly. Once done, close or mute other programs that may capture the mic, like Discord or browser calls, because they can block exclusive access and prevent Valorant from hearing you. Now you'll fix in-game settings and drivers which commonly cause issues. In Valorant settings, open audio, then voice chat. Toggle voice chat on and choose push to talk or open mic, then assign and test a key. If it still fails, update your audio drivers through Device Manager. New drivers resolve compatibility problems. Also open your microphone properties, Advanced tab, and disable exclusive mode so multiple apps can use the mic. After changes, restart Valorant to load new audio configurations. Finish by checking network, Riot client, and fallback isolation steps so you can pinpoint the problem. Make sure your firewall and antivirus allow Riot Vanguard and Valorant executables. Whitelist them and open required ports if needed. Use the Riot Client Repair tool from Settings to fix corrupted files and reinstall only if repair fails. If voice still doesn't work, test with a different microphone or create a new Windows user to rule out profile corruption. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals whether it's hardware, drivers, or your user configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.